this is Esther. Welcome to Easy English with Esther. Before going into today's lesson, as usual, I'm going to give you a tip. How to pronounce words that end in ed. Usually, we hear people say laughed, stopped, dropped, இல்லையா? இந்த ed எப்படி ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணுறது? பண்ணணுமா கூடாதா? ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணால் அது கேட்க சரியாக இல்லாத மாதிரி இருக்கே. ஃப்ளூவெண்ட்டாக இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுகிறவங்க வேறு மாதிரி ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களேன்னு தோணும். Let's see why we feel that way and how to pronounce these words properly. Okay. First, let's look at words ending in TED and DED. EDக்கு முன்னாடி T or D வந்தா ED is pronounced as id, as in these words. First, let me read some words end with TED. Blasted, excited, printed, wanted, texted. Now, let's look at some words ending in DED. Ended, loaded, guarded, intended, decoded, etc. அதே மாதிரி, when verbs have per, per, sir, ch, sh, k, g, x sound before ed, it is pronounced as t. Let's look at some examples. Topped, dropped, cuffed, roofed, expressed, composed, attached, washed, locked, laughed, taxed, mixed, etc. Now let's move on to today's lesson. Why G in games sound different from G in gems? Why G in gander is different from G in gender? Why ANGEL is angel and ANGLE is angle? Let's learn about it in today's lesson. The letter G has two sounds, soft G and hard G. Soft G is pronounced as J, hard G is pronounced as G. When vowels I, E and Y comes after G, it softens the sound and G sounds as in these words: gentle, agent, budget, angel, grudge, ginger, giant, logic, fragile, region, etc. When Y sounds like a vowel, G is pronounced as Ch, as in gym, energy, allergy, Egypt, biology, gypsy, etc. When G comes at the end of the word or a syllable, we use hard G, G, as in pig, mug, wig, zigzag, jug, etc. As I already said in the previous lesson, English is a language of exception. Come on, now let's look at some exceptions. Exceptions to the EIY rule. Look at these words: get, give, gift, giggle. Inge, after G, we have the vowel sounds I, E. Anna, we don't use the J sound, but we use G sound because these words, in the words, German language la irundhu originate ana words. Similarly, look at these words: gynecology, androgynous. Here, hard G, that is G, is used because these words are derived from the Greek word gyne, which means woman. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I meet again, bye, take care.